yo medida pipita contigo. Here son kaki first time tun abiga sa display pero wala niliw. Isa ay tutika na lang binote. Sa she ay tinalaban no she don't care.
Hey guys, it's lilyalecia. Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to show you guys how I got this beautiful reverse ombre color on this bob that I did purchase off of Aliexpress. So here I'm just showing you what the packaging looks like and what came in. It only came with just a wig and 2 wig caps. And this is a 14-inch bob. It's a 13 by 4 lace front wig and it is in the color 613. Now it did come with 4 combs and also adjustable straps, and I'm showing you guys that you do get a nice parting space throughout the whole frontal. It's not only in the middle. The hairline also did come pre-plucked, so I did like that. And here I'm just showing you what the bob looks like. I went ahead and flat ironed the bob. Or if you guys do want to know all of the specs about the hair, the link to the hair will be in the description box down below. So now let's go ahead and get into this coloring. So I'm just taking a regular white bowl, and the first thing that I am going to do is actually fill it up with water so I can go ahead and tone the hair with the Shimmer Light shampoo, because the top part of this coloring is going to be blonde. So I want to make sure that it's not a bright blonde, it's not a yellow blonde, it's just a nice toned blonde color. So I made a boo-boo. I went ahead and overtoned this hair. So as you guys can see, the roots are really silver and the rest of the wig is like a nice toned blonde color. So I'm going to show you guys how you can fix that. I filled up the bowl with water again, and I took this Adore semi-permanent color in the color Mocha, and I did put a little bit in the water, and I went ahead and dipped the roots and the entire wig into the bowl so that it can be a nice even color. As you guys can see, the roots are starting to get into that nice brownish color. I did do it again and it did even it out. So this is just a little tip for you guys. If the roots were a little too silver, or if you overtoned the wig, you guys can just take whatever brown color that you have, put a little bit into the water, and then dip the wig in there, and then it will bring it back to that color that you originally wanted. Now everything is looking even. I'm satisfied. So now we're going to continue. So I went ahead and rinsed out the hair, and I did put it on a mannequin, and I went ahead and parted the hair so in the middle, so that when I am going to do the reverse ombre, the watercolor, I want to make sure that everything is nice and even on both sides. So that's what you guys need to do if you want a nice even color. So these are the two colors that I will be using today. Of course, the Adore in the color Mocha, and then I will be using the Kiss colors in the color Jet Black. So again, I did fill up the bowl with water, with warm water. I didn't need to boil it. I didn't feel like it was necessary. And I went ahead and just eyeballed the amount that I needed. Again, this is a reverse ombre. I don't have any like particular measurements that I did. I just all eyeballed it. And I went ahead and dipped the hair or the ends into the color. Now you want to make sure that you are again holding it where you made that middle part. So make sure that you're holding it really even, if that makes sense. Just make sure you're holding the wig the way or how you want the color to fall. I went ahead and dipped it almost a little bit above halfway, and then you guys will see that I'm going to add more color into the bowl, and then it's basically self-explanatory. I don't know exactly how to explain it, but the way how you're going to dip the hair, you're going to make sure that you're holding it even. That's why you made that middle part earlier, and then you're going to dip the hair, add more color, then you're going to dip the hair again, but you're not going to dip it in the same spot that you dipped it before. The more color that you add, the less hair you will dip into the water. It's self-explanatory. You guys just watch the video. So this is what the color is looking like after I finished dipped the ends. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this Aussie Moist conditioner and I'm going to condition the hair because I already washed it or shampooed it with the Shimmer Light. So now I'm just going to go ahead and condition it. this is what the color is looking like after I have washed and rinsed and conditioned the hair, and I am truly satisfied with this color. So stay tuned for part 2. Part 2 is going to be me installing this wig, and you guys will see what it looks dry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in part 2.